Oh yes, here we are in Vancouver, just heading down to Jericho Beach. Oh, there's a little seal right in front of me. Hello, buddy. Great trip out on the water. Thanks, Jericho Kayak. EJ, I just wanted to say thanks. It was really great to be out on the water here in Vancouver. You know, prairie boy, mountain lake paddles, flat water stuff. So it was kind of really cool to be out paddling in the ocean. So maybe you could just tell me a little bit about Jericho Beach Kayaking and all the stuff that you guys do.
Yeah, for sure. So we are located right here at Jericho Beach, and we offer rentals, we offer lessons, we offer tours, all for kayaking, as well as surf ski lessons. We have another couple of locations. So over on the North Shore, we have Deep Cove Kayak, located Deep Cove, and we have Kate's Park, which is basically right next to Deep Cove. So we have, like, within Vancouver, we have those like 3 really amazing kayaking locations.
Nice.
That are all really great. So Deep Cove, very nice protected waters, kind of fjord-like feeling, really, really beautiful. And then here at Jericho, we have kind of the more open water, which sometimes makes it a little bit more interesting for people coming from the lakes.
Yeah, right on.
And just great views of the mountains, of the skyline, of the sunset.
Nice. Yeah, well, it's really great, and you know, doing a little bit of freighter hopping out there today,
Yeah.
and kind of checking out those. When you're up nice and close, they're pretty big boats, so it was sweet. And I just wanted to say thanks so much for, you know, accommodating me and kind of like getting me out on a boat that's going to work. The first Romany was a little bit tight and snug for me, but came back in and spent a couple hours out on the water and in a little bit bigger boat, so it was really sweet. So thank you very much.
Nice.
And just want to tell all my friends and paddling buddies back in Alberta that if you're stopping into Vancouver, stop down here and have yourself a paddle on a beautiful day.
Awesome, thanks so much for coming.
You betcha.